Hello everyone សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា Today we learn about Khmer number. So Khmer number we count លេខ1លេខ2លេខ3លេខ4លេខ5លេខ6លេខ7លេខ8លេខ9លេខ10 So when we know all these number you can count like លេខ11លេខ12លេខ13លេខ14លេខ15លេខ16លេខ17លេខ18លេខ19 and then 20 is 20 and then we count 21 22 until 30 in Khmer we say 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 and then 100 100 so please remember everyone. Thank you for learning. Goodbye.